Pulled a Q43 file off a DOS-era backup and need to recover the data inside? This is a Quattro Pro 4.3 for DOS spreadsheet from the early 1990s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these vintage Quattro Pro DOS spreadsheet files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized Q4.3 file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. A Q43 file is a spreadsheet created by Quattro Pro version 4.3 for the MS-DOS operating system. Users encounter this legacy format when attempting to access or convert old financial records, data tables, or business reports. The primary challenge is migrating the data and formulas into modern spreadsheet applications. The Q43 4.3 format is a proprietary binary structure designed for the memory and processing constraints of DOS-era computers. It stores cell data, formulas, formatting, and macros in a compact but rigid layout. This design prioritizes speed and file size over the interoperability common in modern XML-based formats. The fundamental software link for Q43 files is built around Quattro Pro by Coral Corporation. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows offers limited functionality, while complete control must be exercised in spreadsheet software. Let's start the compatibility sequence. Right-click the Q43 file and choose Open With. Test Coral Quattro Pro if available. If it's not, choose another program. Different software often has better luck with specific Q4.3 variants. If the Q43 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, opening in modern Quattro Pro. Install Corel WordPerfect Office, which includes Quattro Pro. Launch Quattro Pro and use File then Open to load the Q43 file. Modern Quattro Pro maintains backward compatibility with the DOS-era format, allowing you to view, edit, and save in current QPW or XLSX format for continued use. Next, importing in LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc includes import filters for legacy Quattro Pro DOS files. Launch Calc, use File, then Open, and select the Q43 file. Calc converts the spreadsheet, preserving cell values and basic formulas. Save as ODS or XLSX for compatibility with current spreadsheet workflows and applications. Finally, running DOS Quattro Pro. Use DOSBox to run the original Quattro Pro 4.3 for DOS in an emulated DOS environment. Mount your file directory, configure DOSBox, and launch Quattro Pro to open the Q43 file in its native environment. Export to a more portable format like CSV through Quattro Pro's Print to File feature. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.